हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जीके EduZone। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं 50 इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स ऑन पंचायती राज सिस्टम। तो चलिए देखते हैं। हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ पंचायती राज इन इंडिया? बलवंत राय मेहता। हु एस्टेब्लिश्ड पंचायती राज इन इंडिया? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। When was Panchayati Raj system established in India? On 2nd October 1959. Which was the first state to introduce Panchayati Raj system in India after independence? Rajasthan. Which was the second state to introduce Panchayati Raj system in India? Andhra Pradesh. When was first Panchayat election held in India? In September-October 1959. Which amendment is related to Panchayati Raj? 73rd Amendment. 73rd Amendment was implemented in 1992. Which part of Constitution contains the provisions for the Panchayats? Part 9. Which article is related to Panchayati Raj system? Article 243 to 243O. Which schedule was added to the Constitution by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment? 11th Schedule. In which 5-year plan the Panchayati Raj system was introduced in India for the first time? In second 5-year plan. On which date National Panchayati Raj Day is observed? On 24 April. Which committee recommended for Panchayati Raj system in India? Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Which committee recommended for the constitutional status for Panchayat? L.M. Singhvi Committee. Which article is related to the elections to the Panchayat? Article 243K. How many tiers are in the Panchayati Raj system of India? 3-tier system. What is the main purpose behind bringing Panchayati Raj system in India? Decentralization of the political power to the general people. Which committee recommended 3-tier Panchayati Raj system? Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. In which year Balwant Rai Committee was appointed by the Government of India? In 1957. Which committee recommended for 2-tier Panchayati Raj system? Ashok Mehta Committee. In which year Ashok Mehta Committee was appointed by Janata Government? In 1977. Which committee is known as Committee on Panchayati Raj Institution? Ashok Mehta Committee. Which article says state shall take steps to organize village panchayats? Article 40. What is the percentage of reservation for women in Panchayat? 33%. Currently, the Panchayati Raj system is not present in which state? In Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram. What is the minimum age required for contesting election to panchayats? 21 years. The elections to panchayats to be held in every 5 years. Elections of the Panchayati Raj institution is conducted under the guidance of State Election Commission. Which system is established on the basis of direct election? Gram Panchayat. Who is called the father of local self-government in India? Lord Ripon. A three-tier system of Panchayati Raj for all states having population of over 20 lakh. Which is an apex body under Panchayati Raj? Jila Parishad. Which is the primary body of Panchayati Raj system? Gram Sabha. How many tiers are there in the Panchayati Raj system of Assam? 3 tiers. Which is the first Indian state to fix minimum qualification to participate in Panchayat election? Rajasthan. When was the Assam Rural Panchayat Act passed? In 1948. When was Assam Rural Panchayat Act amended for the first time? In 1959. How many times the Assam Panchayat Act amended? 4 times. Assam Panchayat Act 1994 was incorporated the provision of which amendment of the Indian Constitution? The 73rd Amendment Act 1992. When the Assam Panchayat Act 1994 received the assent of the Governor? On 22nd April 1994. How many Gaon Panchayat are there in Assam? 2201. How many Anchalik Panchayat are there in Assam? 185. How many Jila Parishad are there in Assam? 21 Jila Parishad. How many development blocks are there in Assam? 219. When was the first election of Panchayat were held in Assam? In October 1996. What is the full form of PNRD? Panchayat and Rural Development. Assam Rural Development Act 1948 was replaced by Assam Panchayat Act 1959. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992 came into force on 24 April 1993. The 11th schedule of the Indian Constitution consists of how many functional items of the panchayats? 29. In which year G.V.K. Rao Committee was appointed by the Planning Commission? In 1985. In which year LM Singhvi Committee was appointed by the Government of India? In 1986. Gram Panchayat is chaired by whom? सरपंच। सो ये थे पंचायती राज सिस्टम से रिलेटेड कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।